What if in one wild minute gravity turned against us, in just 60 seconds? Everything on Earth would be thrown into chaos. Buildings, cars. People lifted into the sky. Buckle up. This is going to get wild. To understand what would happen if gravity flipped, we first need to understand what gravity actually is. Gravity isn't just a force that pulls things down, it's the curvature of space-time itself. Einstein showed us that massive objects like Earth create a dip in the fabric of space and time. But what if something catastrophic happened to reverse this fundamental force? Scientists have run computer simulations to model this impossible scenario. The results are both fascinating and terrifying. Let's break down exactly what would happen second by second in our 1-minute gravity earthquake. At T-minus 60 seconds, everything appears normal. Your morning coffee sits peacefully on the table. At T-minus 50 seconds, the first signs appear. Dust particles begin floating upward instead of settling. Water droplets from a leaky faucet start rising toward the ceiling. Birds find themselves fighting against an invisible force pulling them skyward. By T-minus 40 seconds, leaves, papers, and small debris create an upward blizzard. People begin to notice something is terribly wrong. Playground swings begin to lift, and lightweight objects start their journey skyward. At T-minus 30 seconds, we reach the tipping point. Cars in parking lots start to lift off the ground, their tires spinning uselessly in the air. People desperately grab onto anything bolted down. Lampposts, fire hydrants, building foundations. Manhole covers pop off like champagne corks. Street signs, traffic lights, and anything not deeply anchored joins the upward migration. Building windows explode outward as the air pressure inside fights against the reversed gravitational pull. Parents clutch their children, fighting against a force trying to tear families apart. Crowds form human chains, anchoring themselves to the last stable structures. Even emergency responders find themselves helpless against this unprecedented disaster. The final 10 seconds arrive. Entire buildings begin to detach from their foundations. Century-old trees are uprooted, their massive root systems no match for reversed gravity. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At T0, everything and everyone is airborne. From space, Earth appears to be shedding its surface like a snake shedding its skin. In this impossible reality, our entire civilization floats helplessly in the sky. Humans, evolved for life under gravity's constant pull, find themselves completely helpless. But the real catastrophe is just beginning. Earth's atmosphere itself starts to escape into space. Dr. Sarah Chen, theoretical physicist at MIT, explains what would really happen. Gravity isn't just about objects falling down, she says. It's the fundamental force that holds our planet together, keeps our atmosphere in place, and maintains the delicate balance of life. Without gravity holding it together, Earth's surface would begin to crack and fragment. The oceans would lift off as massive floating spheres of water. Eventually, even Earth's molten core would be exposed as the planet literally falls apart. From space, astronomers would witness something never before seen, a planet destroying itself. Astronauts on the International Space Station would have a front-row seat to the end of the world. What was once our home planet would become a massive debris field orbiting the sun. But here's the good news. This scenario is completely impossible. Gravity isn't something that can just flip or reverse. It's built into the very fabric of space-time itself. Scientists have detected gravitational waves from colliding black holes billions of light-years away. We can measure gravity's effects with atomic precision. Every satellite in orbit, every GPS signal, every space mission depends on gravity working exactly as Einstein predicted. So why explore impossible scenarios like this? Because thought experiments help us understand the real world. They make us appreciate the incredible forces that shape our universe. Einstein himself used thought experiments to revolutionize our understanding of gravity. From Newton's apple to Einstein's elevator, impossible scenarios have led to real breakthroughs. Today, our mastery of gravity allows us to explore the cosmos. So the next time you drop something and watch it fall, or enjoy your morning coffee staying exactly where you put it, remember that you're experiencing one of the universe's most fundamental forces. Gravity isn't just a force that keeps us grounded. It's the invisible hand that makes life as we know it possible. And for that, we can all be grateful that gravity will never flip. Not in 1 minute, not ever. Thanks for joining me on this impossible journey. What other wild scenarios would you like to explore?